So for this craft analysis assignment 2, my partner found some really great things in this book. Something she brought to my attention that I did not quite catch was the striking verb under the boat page. So here we can see the striking verb of bunnies glide. So across the lake, the bunnies glide. That verb is not something we usually see with bunnies. And then something that I saw within the text that she did not point out was up here it's actually down here under the bike. So here the author works to list a lot of things in a sentence, so listing items in a series. So the bunnies pedal over the hills. They're chasing, racing, taking spills, jumping, ditches, getting stuck. And listing all those things in a series, the author is using that craft to portray something to the reader. So for the rhetorical effect of both of these crafts that the author has used, I think that they both work to create a sense of adventure for the reader. So over here with the striking verb of bunnies glide, that's not something we usually see bunnies do, but if you're in a boat, you're going to glide across the water. So just, the picture does a good job of portraying the bunnies in the boat, and then that they're gliding across the water. And then over here for the runaway sentence, I think again, just working to fit all of these things in that the bunny is doing on the bike, it's just creating that sense of adventure for the reader. So maybe by fitting all of those things into one sentence, maybe the bunny fit a lot of those things into a short amount of time. That's kind of how I felt as the reader, that maybe it was indicating that the bunny did all these things very fast. So this was an interesting story. I liked how the kind of like a subtitle was at the top of each page, letting the reader know what that page was going to be about, which may be another craft that the author used. So I look forward to the third analysis.